like getting video bag. You can see everything.
Mm-hmm.
Dad, I can clean my shoe.
A little bit. Just don't step in it all the way. Okay, get on the rocks. Quick, quick, quick.
Dad, there's blood on top of my shoe.
We're gonna clean it off when we get home.
The
If I bring
squirrels
one home,
bite.
that would be awesome.
The squirrels bite.
My grandma would love that. I wish I could catch one.
Look, he crawling up the wall, bro.
Would be a good idea to catch one.
Jump.
No, you ain't gonna catch one of those. Them things is too fast. Look at him.
They fast. That would be awesome. Keep one as a pet, like for real. Shit,
Those aren't squirrels. Those.
Come on.
Okay. Stay right there where the trees are. Here, come over here. You can come over here if you want. Down there, you're going in.
Oh man.
Where are they leaving?
They're taking pictures too, buddy.
And right across there, be able to get to the other side of that. Eventually, we might make it over there.
I can feel water splashing on me somewhere.
Oh yeah, I felt water too. I thought it was like under. But nah.
What?
Get me up.
You got an ant crawling on you?
Yeah. It was getting distracted.
Look at that. Look at that water flowing, boy. Yeah.
Is there other ways?
Yeah. That would suck to drop my phone. Oh my god. Living life on the edge, man. Come down here, just sit, dangle your feet, listen to the creek or river, gorge, whatever you want to call it. Too nice.